Alright, I think we're live now. Are we all good? Testing, testing. I think we're live. Yes, we are live. Um, edit video. Oh, we're just gonna delete this guy. Yep, delete that 12-second. There we go, okay. So I think we're live now. So yeah, okay. We are all good to go. We are all good to go. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're just learning some good old-fashioned Java for a new game that I kind of announced, I guess. Um, yeah, we kind of announced it, I guess. It was early, like 2 hours ago. I posted a piano intro video. It's just a little yeah. So it was just a little teaser kind of thing. So what we're doing is we're coding a game. So that's fun. Really nothing too special, but I don't actually know Java. I know JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and Node.js along with MySQL, but I don't know just plain old regular Java. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I think it'll be fun at least. So hold on while I get this all set up. So we're just following a tutorial today. It might sound stupid, but how else do you want me to do it? It's a good question. Um, okay, so I think we're all good. Yeah. All right, let's do this. Let's get this all good to go. Let's share our video URL with all of our Discord friends. We're just posting all of these things in here. Post this in video updates on our Discord server. Post that there. Post that in general there. And I think that is all we need to be. I'm going to join into a VC, and if something gets too chaotic, I'll just leave. So let's get this bread started, chat. Hello, Koch. Koch is here.
Welcome.
I am learning how to code.
On main method here, public
Just
static
what?
void main
What is
string
your guess?
args.
None.
Great.
So, thief.
What? Public static void main.
Electricity.
No, not static electricity. string args.
No, that's what I call a shock humor.
Not even funny.
I know, right?
Sad.
Then why are you laughing?
It's just kind of sad. I'm sorry.
Why are you laughing?
Okay, so
then?
then underneath. Okay, so that worked.
And there we go.
Literally
okay, so,
died.
All right.
We have
So,
our little.
What I'm going to do to kind of organize this a little bit is I'm going to
So-
create another class on top of this. And I'm going to name
Okay.
it window.
So what do you think about the new
And
meme?
with window, I'm
The
going
new
to
view?
extends canvas.
The new meme
What new meme?
that I showed you.
The edible thingy.
The edible that ain't shit.
I haven't watched it. You just sent.
All right.
Yeah.
And we can go ahead and hover.
I'm a little tad bit busy. But it looks like Ellen DeGeneres. Am I correct on that?
No, it's like normal Ellen DeGeneres. It's like this edible ain't shit, and then turns into that image.
Okay. All right.
Basically, vibe check.
It's a bit random.
Basically, vibe
and
check.
Add a generator.
Oh wait, we can just. Oh
Bro.
wait, hold on. How do you do that?
And we can go ahead and
Why
hover
are you
over
not
this.
streaming?
Hold over. I am streaming.
According to my YouTube, you're not.
No, I don't want to rename things. According to your YouTube, I'm not. I have 10 playbacks already, so someone's been watching. Why are people watching coding videos instead of my Minecraft streams? This is not entertaining, people. Okay, so canvas, and then he like hovers over it. Did I didn't spell anything wrong?
God.
Window. Okay.
I'm gonna
Okay,
go
here we
now.
go. So we're gonna he adds.
I'm gonna go now.
Oh, okay. Well, add generated save. Bye. Have a good time.
Add a generated serial version ID, and also I added
gone.
the
All right,
canvas
well.
import by hitting Control Shift and O all at the same time. That will organize and import everything that's not actually imported. If you don't want to do it that way, or for some reason it doesn't work, what you can do is you
Just
can
type
hover
it out,
over
right?
canvas. This is if you're using Eclipse, and you can click import, and it imports that for you.
Okay.
Alright, so with our window class, this class is basically the only purpose for this class is just to create the window for us. So
it's like an
we can create a constructor, public window, and in the parameters have a width, height, and a title.
This guy's keyboard is louder than mine. Okay, he's moving a bit fast. You see, with all these coding people, they expect you to be like professionals at the beginning, even though they know that you're so inexperienced. String title. Okay. What is wrong with that? What's wrong? Did they not want me to capitalize window? What the? So I have integer width, I have integer height, and then I have string title. What's wrong? Return type for method is missing? I'm confused. Did that. Wait, hold on. Okay, whatever.
And in here we can just basically, create our window. So here, let's go ahead and set up a JFrame.
Here we go. This is where I've been.
JFrame. And in the parameters, we're going to put a title. So that's just really going to set up our title for it.
Whoa, don't go that fast. We don't like it when you go that fast. It doesn't mean good things, it just pains me so. And I think of you that way. I don't know what I just sang, but I mean, it was alright. Okay. Let's do this thing.
Our game, which is going to be the window title.
Okay.
And here we can just
That
set
makes
everything
sense.
up. So frame.set preferred size.
Dude, this guy is like, it's like, oh, let's go. What's he typing? No, what?
New dimension.
New dimension. No. Set with bird size. That's not what I wanted to do.
What's the proposal going?
Hello, is this Kouster?
No, it's Capcan.
Oh, okay, it's Capcan. You both have you have more of a beat voice. I am doing good. I am streaming right now.
You're not?
What?
It's fucking wicked. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. It's 2020, man.
Yeah.
I actually like 2020. I'm gonna miss
I like 2020 as well. I liked it how cursed it was.
the syntax. I have a syntax error.
With
Yeah.
There's a syntax error in my code, Capcom. Don't you hate that?
No.
You don't? I do.
No, I don't.
I really do, because it means it doesn't work.
height.
Knee.
Okay, but then it shows an error even though that I have the
Control-Shift-O
code exactly right.
On
Okay, so Control Shift O. Add another one. All right,
dimension import.
let's go.
We can copy this and paste it 2 more times.
Mario, call the police.
And here we are going to go ahead and set
It's just messing, used to be messing with a guy below me,
size.
and technically Mr. Cat Whiskers as well. But now it's just Mario, call the police.
So it's maximum and then minimum. Oh, I understand. I understand how this works. You can watch my stream. I'm coding. It's very exciting.
Only walk on quit.
Okay, here we go.
Minimum size.
So.
All right. And I'll explain this a little bit after I go.
Yeah, no,
ahead
I
and
understand
set
how
up
it
the code.
works.
So now I'm just gonna say.
Except this guy, like, he's trying to teach me how to code.
frame
but
dot
he goes
set
like 50 miles an
deep-
hour. This is like a really confused. I understand why so many people have issues learning to code. It's because they don't have the patience to, like pause and then unpause. F. And
default close operation jframe.exit on close.
Yep.
how. JFrame.exit. Oh,
I've been
exit.
hanging out with Angelina for a while today, so that's fun.
What's that?
Just been hanging out with Angelina for a while. That's been fun.
Oh God, no.
Mhm.
What have you been doing?
Frame.set resizable to
Doesn't
false.
matter.
Frame.set
Oh, that's not supposed to. Reese.
Alright, well, I was just gonna say, hey, have a good one.
Oh, okay.
See you in 2021. Hopefully, the world doesn't end.
It's not gonna end. Don't worry.
Alright, see you next year.
See ya, dude, bro.
location relative to
So null means nothing.
null. And here we are going to say frame.add. And I'm going to put game here. And that's actually something
Right.
I forgot to leave in the parameters.
So that's why there's an error there. So that's why there's an error there. Okay, well that makes sense because you didn't point that out to me before. That's not what I wanted to put in there. False. There we go. Frame dot add name. Okay, and then he goes back up to the line 12. Okay. So that's the I forget what that's called. String title. And then he adds a comma, which is game. I'm sure someone got a real kick out of that. They spent 5 hours trying to figure
So
out why
we
there's
need
an
to
error
actually
and
create
just
an
hope it
instance of our
worked.
game within our window constructor parameters.
Okay, so this
Because we need to use that, right? And then so
No,
now
I
we're
don't
also going to say frame.set.
I already have a
visible.
class named game. Game cannot be resolved into a type. I have a class name game. Okay. Alright, we're just gonna leave it there.
The true.
There's no error on his. Furry name. God fit his grace on thee. Okay, so we delete that, and okay. So then there are a lot of errors. New class, we name it. Name. Yes, this is describing me perfect. Why are there so many errors? That doesn't make much sense at all. Not at all. Not at all. Why is that an error? Well, like game type must be defined in its own file. Huh? Alright, whatever. Not okay. Frame dot set visible true. True, I believe.
And frame dot or no, not frame. Game dot start.
Okay, so it's boop and then empty brackets, it looks like. Okay, that looks about right.
And that's going to be a function we create within our game class here. So if we go over...
Okay, so what is the difference between his game class and my game class? Because there's literally no difference besides the capitalization. And that didn't seem to fit. It is defined in its own file. Alright.
For our game class, we're going to need to do a couple things. We're going to need to extend canvas again and implements runnable. And we're also going to create a public synchronized.
Yeah, I know. Public synchron. Yeah. I'm having enough issues with your fast moving. Void start. Yeah, okay.
Void start method.
Yeah, but like you didn't type in method, so I'm just gonna assume that you don't need the method there. It's all just gonna be peaches and cream.
And a public void run method.
I'm working on it. Run. Okay.
And if we go ahead and just add generated serial number. Version ID right there.
You see, but that.
Visible game class here. So if we go over to a game class, we're going to need going to create a void start method and a public void run method. And if we go ahead and just add generated serial version ID. Run method. And if we go ahead and just
But you see that doesn't
generated serial version ID right there. Public void start method. And if we go ahead
So this dude seems to just not know what he's talking about, and it's really not doing me much good, man. I don't know. We'll be back when I figure this out.